One of the reasons I said I thought we could short this open was because we were at the top of the range from overnight. We'd had the gap. And I said, you know, we've got a magnet back at 24.5. Let's consider that supported for now to 24 to 23, which is basically Friday's angel back here, 22.75. And we're into the teeth of that overnight push. So if you were a believer, a strong believer that this was all, you know, gung-ho longs and okay, we're right off to the races again, and you bought into that notion, you're already underwater. I said I thought today we could probably play two ways. It's probably theta burn, and more than likely, not a good idea just to close our eyes and buy the high. So I said, let's think of the target 28.75 as possible, but let's use that 28.75, 29 as resistance first. So you came in within one ticket, but if you decide to short, congrats, put something in your pocket ahead of news, 10 o'clock, and don't overtrade. You know, I'm not too excited at all about this market. You know, certainly we've come a long way. We can go higher, but you know, I think we need a breather. I think theta burn is a good possibility, and we really have come a whole long way from over a week ago. That Friday, where you know, market just took a huge pound up, and it's just been basically stair-stepping higher. So today I said I think we can play both directions. I like the short side early just because convenient trade is from the short side coming back into the range. And S&P range trades a lot more than it breaks out. This year we've had continual breakouts. And you're making anybody who thinks that way, you know, look silly, but the market does really over time will equalize. So I think could trade both ways today, we said, and I like fading that first push. We said that first things first, looking for the rain line test today. Here it is. There's a great trade for the short side. And anything you've got left now, don't forget there's news coming. And overnight, if you're looking at the angel and demon, 22.75. Is the angel from Friday, and 23 the angel from overnight. Great trade. Anybody that took the short had the courage to come in and say, no, you guys are just BS still. And this was a squeeze trade on Friday. No volume. And anybody that bought into this, that this it was real, it's still on cocaine, you know? Come on. So range type day, we said possible. Still got a lot of air on the chart here. I would not be thinking anything more than hit and run type trading. Good trade. Anybody grab this? Take something off the table now, early. Don't wait for news. They've been trapping and squeezing to advance. Here's your 5-minute chart. We said let's use a 20. And the 120, here's your 20-minute chart. All this nonsense pre-market and one bar undoes it. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Lock it up.